Cleaning and organizing tools immediately after a repair, especially in poor weather, keeps the job site safe and ensures we are ready to move on without delay. When we collect all parts and tools before leaving the site, we immediately reduce the chance of losing items and avoid time spent searching later. Drying and storing hand tools and power tool accessories prevents corrosion and electrical faults that can develop quickly in wet or salty conditions. We should use simple organizational routines like grouping fasteners by size in labeled containers and placing tools back in the same compartment to build muscle memory that reduces mistakes. Inspecting consumables such as tapes and sealants for moisture damage saves material costs and prevents failure on the next job. Before departure, we run a short checklist aloud covering tools, parts, and safety items so nothing gets left behind in low light or poor weather. Finally, keeping a compact weatherproof kit with essential drying cloths, silicone lubricant, and small desiccant packs makes the process fast and protects tools on site. The three most common mistakes are leaving small parts behind because they were not gathered immediately, assuming tools are dry when they are not, and skipping a final walk-around checklist. A quick habit of collecting all parts into one container prevents stray screws and fittings from being lost. Wiping and air drying critical metal tools or using desiccants prevents rust and electrical problems that are often only discovered later. Making a verbal or written checklist and reviewing it before you drive off catches the things most likely to be forgotten and builds consistency across the crew. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover past project examples that relate directly to tool care and job site discipline. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where tradespeople and homeowners exchange practical tips and checklists for keeping tools organized and protected.